Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful, very stunning designs. You look be amazing in perfect videos, and this video is all about the crochet scatter dresses. Crochet scatter dresses, it's many more effective, many more elegant designs. And scatter fox are using different color combinations, different crochet varieties like crochet flowers, flower scatters, granny scatter, and simple scatter fox. Three options are available for. This is so amazing. This is elegant videos, and you will be stay connected with our channel. I have shared with you and different scatter fox are daily basis and regularly videos. I have shared with newly attractive designs and simple designs, simple videos, and scatter fox related ideas. I have shared with many things, many attractive designs, and good looking and fantastic videos. It's just amazing designs, ideas, and it's and you can share with newly designs, newly attractive videos, and it's good looking, amazing and fantastic videos. Scatter fox are using different patterns, different designs. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all new members will be amazing and connected. Just looking amazing, and different crochet varieties are available in this channel. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all new members, it's newly videos we have to share with you. So let's go. Inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in new videos in my channel, in these stunning and creative